This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use YouTube on Apple Watch. While there isn't a native YouTube application for watching videos directly on your wrist, your Apple Watch serves as a powerful remote control for the YouTube app on your iPhone. This means you can manage your viewing experience without constantly reaching for your phone. Just make sure both devices are properly connected through Bluetooth and a stable Wi-Fi network for the best performance. Once YouTube is playing on your iPhone, simply open the Now Playing application on your Apple Watch. This intuitive interface gives you full command over your video. You can effortlessly pause or resume playback, skip ahead or back by 15 seconds, and fine-tune the volume. For quick access, just raise your wrist while a video is active, and the controls will appear, making your viewing experience incredibly convenient. While direct video playback is limited, you can explore various third-party applications available in the App Store. Some of these might offer limited video viewing, or, more commonly, allow you to stream YouTube audio directly to your Bluetooth headphones paired with your watch. This is perfect for listening to music or podcasts on the go without needing your iPhone. Certain apps even let you save content for offline audio enjoyment. To get the most out of your YouTube experience with your Apple Watch, always keep your iPhone nearby for a stable connection. You can also leverage Siri on your watch to start playing specific YouTube videos or channels on your iPhone simply by speaking a command. Remember, using audio-only options and minimizing screen time on your watch will significantly help conserve its battery life, ensuring you stay connected longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.